As Amalie Arena will fill to the rafters, the top two teams in the Atlantic Division collide as Tampa Bay hosts the Florida Panthers.
It'll be interesting to see with some new faces how it works out. Johnson shooting, they score! Early results are pretty good.
Can't knock that result. Good patience by Johnson. The key is he waits just long enough for Petrovic to go down, who's going to try and block it, and then come back up again. That was the big key. So as he's coming back up, that's when he shoots it underneath his leg.
Away comes Riley Smith. 3-on-2 for the Panthers. And Smith trying to feed it through, gets it back, hits the post. 3 points last night. Sharp pass to Blunden. The pass across, there's a shot, and it's deflected away by Luongo. Getting it back to Jagr, worked free, ends up with Jonathan Huberdeau. He's got Barkov in front looking for him, now stopped in the backhand, and the rebound as well by Vasilevsky. Yeah, both those losses, he played well enough to win, certainly.
Yes, he did.
Here's Johnson down the middle, gets the pass, tipped it on goal, Luongo the save. Palat nearly connected with Johnson for a goal.
There you go again. Tyler Johnson just knifing through the neutral zone. This line just continues to be dynamic.
And the Panthers get it out to Trocheck. Trocheck approaching Garrison, he scores! That might have been tipped by Garrison, but it found the top corner on Vasilevsky, and Trocheck, who's been red hot, has tied this game at 1. In the zone, the pass across, deflected by Barkov. It was blocked in front with Schuster involved. Panthers still have it. Jagr fires, he scores! And Florida's got a 2-1 lead.
A little bit of overplaying there, trying to force the play by the Lightning, and they catch 3 guys over on one side, so there aren't enough bodies left to cover Jagr all alone in front.
Comes back to Big Bukestad, the 6'6", 218-pound centerman couldn't leave the zone. Stamkos on a steal, walks in, feeds it across. Luongo a save. Rebound try is chipped over the net as Paquette robbed on the first one, missed on the second try. Carl holds his ground against Jagr. Here comes Paquette again to Nemestikov. Glove save, Luongo. And Devils 5 points out of a spot, but Kyle Palmieri has just continued what has been a tremendous season. It'll be fun to watch here. Here's a shot by Petrovic, deflected, they score! Off a crowded front, it deflects over Vasilevsky, and the Panthers now have a 3-1 lead.
Does it tip off the stick, the blade there? Maybe. Oh yeah, it's off. Oh, it's a both legs. The answer is yes to both.
Finds Blunden, pulls the trigger, blocked by Campbell. And Blunden getting to it in front. Stopped by Luongo. He covers the puck with Coburn in the goal mouth. But Luongo's had all of his equipment helping him out so far tonight. Stamkos from the corner, throwing it off Luongo, and hit his body, dropped to the side. Braden Coburn was the Lightning ice time leader through 2 periods coming into this third period. Panthers come up with a puck, and they score. Jonathan Huberdeau, top corner, makes it 4-1.
Well, this #1 line for Florida has really given the Lightning fits in the tough, small spaces. They are all big men, and they like having that traffic around them. That's where they really thrive, and this time it's Huberdeau, and then the quick release and a brilliant shot. I mean, that's brilliant.
Here's Palat on the rush, has a chance. He in front, the shot, a save, Luongo, and the try by Killorn. Palat showed shot and then went pass, and Luongo right there. Jagr ends up with a puck. Barkov maneuvers ahead with Huberdeau. Now to Barkov, in behind the defense. Stopped by Vasilevsky right at the post. Marchessault and Boyle right in front of Luongo. Palat closing in, shoots, save Luongo, rebound, they score! Stamkos from a sharp angle makes it 4-2.
That's a goal scorer's instincts. Where to go? Where do you have to be? Stamkos is out of your sight on the left side of the screen. So the puck's on the right side. Everybody's facing one way. There's only one spot to be, away from everybody. Stamkos is there. He knows that the shots are going to come, and the angles are the rebounds rather are going to come out on angles towards him.
Boyle retrieving it. Taken over though, Trocheck shooting and skips off the post. Blunden piles into the corner. It's played back to the point, anticipated though, and it is skimmed by Jokinen into the empty net to make it 5-2. The Lightning trailing 5-2, and the horn sounds to win this game. Jokinen scoring his 17th goal, unassisted at 19:35. The Lightning pulling Vasilevsky with about 6:20 to go. They get one back on the power play. Luongo standing tall in this one. The Panthers take over sole possession of first.